Today I'm going to make an origami shirt, and this is what it's going to look like. And it's really fun because you get to do like lots of patterns and you can put like stickers on it, and you can decorate it and get started. And so first you you turn it over like that. Then after you get the top and then you fold it to the bottom like this. After you're done, you flip it, you do it the right side again, and then you open it, and then you fold it. You get this part, and then you fold it into the middle. Three seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, and then do the same with the other side. 3, 2, 1, go. After, you flip it over, and then you get the top, you fold it just like a bit down. It shouldn't be like too thick, like all the way to the bottom, just like that. After, you flip it over again, and then you know this part here, you fold it to the middle, inside like that. And do the same with the other side too. It shouldn't be as like a triangle. This is going to be like the collar for the neck, as you see like this one. Then after you get the bottom, then you fold it all the way up under the collar, like in here, like that. Once you fixed it up, it looks like a shirt, guys, but can you figure something out? It has no sleeves. So you open it again, and then down here, if you need a bit of guiding, you can use this line in the middle here, and then it should be like curved out like that. And you do the same with the other side, like fold it out, sort of looking like if you flip it over, rocket ship. Like this. Then after, if you want to, you can fix it up a little if you want. Like that. And then you fold it up again under the collar. And this is your shirt. So you're done with your shirt, and you can do all these patterns like some colors, a bit of patterns, some drawings, like a shirt. And you could like design whatever you like on it. It's be a secret message inside. See, like if you pull on the sleeve, look, you can write like a secret message to somebody, like I did to my sister. I've written, tell her, this is that. Hello, and that's one of my big sisters. I love you. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, and thank you for watching, everybody. If you didn't subscribe, please do it now, and please hit the bell, the bell, the subscribe button, and the bell, subscribe, and the like button. Bye.